Hi everybody, this is Kainat and today I want to start this video with a couple of words that this video is my first video that I am uploading on the YouTube. So I just have need of your support and the comments of yours. After watching this video fully, you will have to comment below that how this video was for you. I mean, what kind of new things you learned in this video. Alright? And also you have not to forget to like and subscribe my channel. Alright? So let's start. So I'm gonna only talk about the one tool, or I'm gonna only discuss the one trick in this video, right? And that is listening, not purposeless talk, only to the point, all right? With a simple, easiest words so that my audience can understand. So now see, as you all know that English is a skill. I mean, it's a language. So if we are learning English, it just means that we are learning a skill. And for learning the skill, we will have to, what do? We will have to give time to that skill to be learned, or we will have to practice for that, skill. Let's suppose that driving, it's a skill. What you will do before driving? You will practice daily to drive, right? And if you learn driving, it just means that you have learned the skill of driving. Let's suppose another thing that you are swimming. It just means that before you must have tried this, before you must have practiced. Alright? Similarly, English is a skill that you people will learn through practice, daily practice, and unless you give time to this, you will never be a good speaker. So similarly, I'm going to only tell you one rule which is so much easy to accept and to apply for learning this skill, right? So let's talk about that. Now see, this is the rule that most learners ignore, but you do not have to do that. You have not to ignore this rule, because if you ignore this one, you will never be able to speak a single word of this language anytime. Believe me. And that is listening. Yes, guys. The more you listen, the more naturally you speak this language. Because according to my thinking, listening is directly proportional to the speaking. If you listen more, you will speak more. Okay? Now, for proving it, I have one example. See, when babies start learning a language, what they do? Do they follow grammar rules? I don't think they do some kind of these things. I don't think. What they do is all about listening every day. They listen again, and again. And after listening, they try to speak. And this is exactly what you have to do. You have to consider yourself as a little child for the next few months. And in those next few months, what you will have to do will be all about listening. And keep one thing in your mind, that first our ears learn, then our mouth speak it. Alright? And you must be thinking about this thing, that what we will listen. Like now we know that for learning a language, listening is very important. But you people don't know that what kind of things you will listen. First of all, let's start with my videos. I mean, you will have to listen my videos because I always try my best to make a very simple videos, and I always try my best to use very, simple and easiest words in my videos. So for beginners, my videos are also good, but for advanced, also my videos are good. But if you want to learn English with enjoyment content, then you may watch podcasts, shows, dramas, movies. It depends on yourself, right? So this kind of things could be listened by. And also keep this thing in your mind that you have to do this on the daily basis. 20 minutes on the daily basis are better than 5 hours once in the week. If you do not keep the consistency, you will never be able to get success in anything. I'm not only talking about the English right now. Also in everything, consistency is important. Okay? With the consistency, if you're doing any kind of work, it just means that you have got half success in that thing. Believe me. Alright? So, 20 minutes on the daily basis. Doesn't matter if you're not being able to keep the consistency, but you have the ability to keep persistency. Means you may listen, doesn't matter for how much time you're listening, you have to listen. This is exactly what happens in the persistency. You listen, doesn't matter that how much time for you listen. Consistency means for the fixed time you have to listen. Alright? So this was all about today. This is exactly what I wanted you all to understand. This was the first video, and in this video I only told you all that listening is a must for learning any language. Okay? Practice a lot, give time to things, to learn them, and after today I'm gonna really upload very much videos for you all to make you all speak this language. Okay? If you people have really a confusion in any kind of topic, you can really comment below. I'm gonna talk about that for you only. Alright? So just support me and share my videos with the friends of yours who couldn't speak English well or were really unable to speak a single word of this language. Alright? Bye bye.